Hey guys, Danny Concrete Marketing Crew, and today I'll be sharing with you stamped concrete keywords. That's right, stamped concrete keywords. If you're a stamped concrete contractor, right, this one is for you because I'll be showing you exactly what people are typing in Google, give you the download link so that you can have those lists of keywords, set of keywords, and as well show you what's happening in different locations. So I'll be breaking down what's happening here in South Florida and taking one city apart, and then showing you what's happening up in New York. We're going to be taking a look at Long Island, looking at the traffic opportunities so you can see what's happening there. So let's go ahead, buckle up, and I'll see you on the other side. Hang on. Alright guys, welcome to this presentation. As of 2017, looks like there are 32,000 in population in Parkland, and we're going to be taking a look at Long Island, New York here. 7.5 million residents, and that's probably a little bit more by now because this is 2010. But anyways, wanted to dive into the subject of stamped concrete. As you can see here, if I'm making this search, globally speaking, there are 49,500 each and every month. 49,500 searches being made each and every month for this specific search term. Okay, and as you can see here, there's a whole lot of ads. 1, 2, 3, 4 paid ads positions. Then you have the map sections that contains the local providers of stamped concrete, and then we have a couple of videos followed by the search results. Now this is what we call a broad search term because it's very broad. It's still very broad. Look, people are looking for designs, process, problems, colors, driveway versus paver. So these are very, very different search terms, and I just wanted to point that out. Stamped concrete, we're going to be analyzing this keyword in 2 different locations and what the traffic opportunity is, and we're going to show you the semantically related terms, the terms that are very closely related in topic and that come up when people are searching for. And also wanted to share a stat about the average, all right, the averages of searches being made out there. So you can see there 20% of the searches coming on Google search for any type of buyer keyword are in market, which means that they're looking to make some sort of decision, fill out a form, take some form of action, followed by the 20% that are in the research mode. They are just researching the product, looking for more information before they're looking to make a decision. And then you have 60%, which are just looking. They don't have any intent to buy right now. They don't have any intent to buy within the next year or so. They're just looking. They're just finding out information. They're just getting informed. Maybe they've heard about a topic. Maybe they've seen stamped concrete for the first time, and they're looking for what stamped concrete entails. Maybe they're looking for the pricing, but they're not looking to make a decision. They're just simply looking for informational purposes. But you can see there 40%, it's what's in the market altogether. One is right now, within now and the next 3 months, and the other 20% is between the next 3 months and 12 months, and they're looking to make a decision. So you can pretty much figure that out there. So let's get right to it, guys. Let's go ahead and look at Parkland as a whole. So as you can see here, let me zoom right in, and this is what we're looking at. We're looking at the keywords. We're looking at the keywords right now, and just want to type Parkland here. Parkland. Oh, didn't even type that right. So Parkland is right here. Parkland. And as you can see here, I'm scrolling up, and all these results that I'm scrolling through. So you can see these are hundreds of keyword combinations, search terms happening each and every month. Some months don't have an average. As you can see, this is the average monthly searches. Some months really don't have. So concrete overlay products. I'm just going to take you right to it. And as you can see there, December didn't have any, and they're just calculated because these are very popular terms. They may be coming up in other cities that are surrounding Parkland, so they're just calculated here, and Google provides that to us. So concrete companies near me, 10. Okay, now let's go ahead and move to the right here. In December there are 10, January an average of 10, and looks like November there aren't that many. And actually look at this, We don't have September, and July kind of dies out. So just want to show you guys that, you know, these numbers are based on average statistics, right? And all these keywords here are different searches for what people are looking for. Concrete floor sealer, stamped concrete near me, pattern concrete patio, stamped concrete walkway cost, right? I'm not getting any search results, but there is probably a probability that there may be 1, 2, 3 different searches being made from Parkland alone. Again, this is what's happening. Now, the next thing I want to point out here, which is very important for you to realize as a business owner, is that in Parkland, 60%, you could say 59.6% of all these searches are being made from a mobile device, which means you got to pay attention to this, which means that 60% of these individuals may live in Parkland or they may not live in Parkland. They may be around the area making the search while they're here. They may do business here. They may come and work here. They may be visiting someone and they're making that search here. So that's 60% right there. Sounds about right. 16%, which is 16, not 60, this is 60. 16%, 17%, you could say, it's made out of mobile or tablet devices, which now this is more of what it's like as far as the traffic, right? 17% are looking from a tablet device. As you know, tablets require Wi-Fi, and most tablets are connected via a Wi-Fi connection, not a SIM card. So you can pretty much tell these are coming from homes, residents of Parkland. And then we have the 23%, which says desktop, which is really desktops and laptops, pretty much the same thing as tablets. You need a Wi-Fi connection or you need a landline connection. So Google is telling us that, you can see right here, this 60% are coming from mobile devices, and the 40% are coming off from real local residents. You can pretty much say that sounds about right. And if we add up, and I want to add up this conservatively, all the searches come in combinations, come in for on average. It says 3,300 here, but really it's way less than that. Probably maybe close to 2,000. And here you can see December of 2017 there were just one third of all the searches made. So you can see 1,050 on average searches being made for that month. You go throughout the different months. In April, 1,200, May 1,300, June 1,100. So again, these are average numbers. You guys get to see the value. Okay, the opportunities. And if you take a look at that, you can start to realize, okay, you know what's my chance of converting this type of jobs, this type of searches into an actual paying client? What are my possibilities, my chances? Well, you have to understand that only 20% are looking to take action to get more information right now, to have those move forward conversations. The other 20% are still in the research phase. These are individuals that are interested. They're probably going to buy in the next 3 to 12 months to 24 months even, and these individuals, the 60%, are just not going to take any action. All right, then let's go ahead and look at Long Island. Let's go ahead and do the comparison. Let's start off by looking at the mobile traffic. 10%, almost 10% less than in Parkland. So we can get to see that most of the traffic is now being made by actual residents within Long Island, right? Suffolk County, Nassau County. You can see here about 48% are being made from residents, and then the rest are from mobile devices, which are floating around that area. And you can see, guys, stamped concrete. They're even making. You see, these are out of state search, right? So someone's making a search for Houston, so that person may be visiting here in Long Island, making that search for Houston. But let's look at the real search terms that are coming up: concrete architecture, stamped concrete refinishing, concrete construction companies, decorative concrete resurfacing, concrete driveway texture, concrete house, concrete creative concrete. Okay, people are looking for concrete, 720 a month. Let's look at another. Let's see here. Let's look at a high volume. Okay, concrete slab. Let's see, concrete paint, 210 individuals. It's a lot of that. Polished concrete, 140. It's a medium term. Okay, people are paying anywhere between $2.36 all the way to $9 for that one click. Let's go all the way up. Okay, Stamp Concrete, 390 searches on average per month. Concrete Stain, 140. You guys get to see there's a ton of opportunities. And obviously, when we add up just in geographical, from a geographical standpoint, this number over here, you know, we were looking at the search volume, overall search volume. Parkland, 3,300. Long Island, 10,500 on average. All right, on average. So you can see there, December of last year, the total sum of all these search terms came up to 5,000. And as you can see there, like I said, guys, got to keep in mind that only 40% are your prospective clients. Only 40%. The 60% that's left over are from individuals just looking for information for multiple reasons. Okay, so looking at this right now, I wanted to point out, and I'm going to delete this number so you guys understand. This is for another presentation. Okay, so wanted to discuss the Google landscape really and the way it works. The way it works is, like I said here, you know, we have the Google search, Stamp Concrete. These are the paid ads section. These guys get a ton of traffic. Then we have the maps search results, right? The search results. Now, what happens is Google wants to force businesses to spend money in advertising. That's what they've moved the ad section up here, and then basically they move the location-based search results right here for local businesses, and then we have the organic search results. So whatever is left in traffic after the click-throughs that come from here, from the paid section, and after the click-throughs that get taken away from the map section, which may be up to 30-something%, we're left with the remainder of the top 10 organic search results. So the top 10 organic results show you right now by positions. If you're on position number 1 of organic, you get 28% of what's left. Position 2, you get 14% of what's left. Position 3, you get 10%. Position 4, you get 6%. Position 5, 4%. Position 6, 3%. And as you can see there, this is a big difference, guys. That's why you hear a lot of businesses that said, well, I tried SEO and it didn't work. And the reason why it didn't work, it's because you were either towards the bottom of the first page of Google or your website was not optimized to convert the traffic into actual phone calls or into leads. So that's something you guys got to be conscious of is, look, your position matters. And if you're not looking to get into the top 3 of the organic search results, and better yet, into the top 3 of the maps and the organic search results, then you're going to really not make much of a difference to your bottom line. All right, the ROI may not justify itself. So the return on the investment in time, money, and energy into doing SEO may not be justified. And that's why you hear most companies, because if you think about it, 10 companies are trying to compete for that top 3 or top 1 results, and only 3 are getting it. So 70% of companies, you could say, barely experience any results from their SEO efforts. And that is just by the statistics that we have here. Okay, that is what we have here. So some of these guys may break even. Some of these guys may not even make any money. Some of these guys may just make enough to keep the campaign running. But I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I wanted to show you the volume. Look, there's an opportunity everywhere. And the next thing I wanted to point out is, look, if you're optimizing your website, it's not just about optimizing for the broad keywords. Stamp Concrete is the broad search term. But what about these topics? You know, there are people looking where to buy Stamp Concrete patterns. Okay? If you don't sell it, you can actually write a blog post that targets where to buy Stamp Concrete patterns in Long Island, and then write that and then get that traffic for you and your business. Concrete logo stamp. Write a blog post that says concrete logo stamp ideas. Okay, making concrete stamps, right? How to make concrete stamps in Long Island. Something like that, something to that effect, right? So you can get to see this. All of these are topic ideas that you can write And if I'm in Parkland, let me look at this. Stamped concrete or stone patio. Okay, stamped concrete or stone patio. And then if you tag this with Parkland, your article will rank higher in that specific area. How much does the stamped concrete cost in Parkland? Or look, how much, right here, how much does stamped concrete cost per square foot in Parkland? This gets 10 searches on average a month. Guys, do you think if you're getting found on the top 10, on the top 3 of the organic search results for an article that talks about this, that you would get some jobs, some traffic out of this? Absolutely, you can definitely squeeze some leads out of that. So stamped concrete definition, you know, and you could write something to do with your definitions, the different type of stamped concrete, etc. And this could be your content ideas. Okay, this is for you and your business. By the way, guys, if you write content for you and your business that has to do with this, you have a greater chance, if your business is in that location, in Parkland per se, to rank on the map section, as well as having that organic search result. Look at this. How much is stamped concrete driveway in Parkland? Okay, that's pretty much it. These are your content ideas, and you can grab all of these. And let me tell you something. If you took all of these different ideas and wrote really an article for each and every one of these, you will dominate your landscape. You will dominate your marketplace, because everyone will find you, everyone will find your references, everyone will find your material, and your business will gain more trust and more authority in Google's eyes, because you're actually providing valuable information, and you're actually providing what people are looking for on Google search. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I wanted to show you all the different keyword ideas here. I will be uploading this over to our website. And let me send you over the link right now, and I will write it down right here. Give me a second. Head over to concretemarketingcrew.com/stamped concrete keywords. Okay, that's it. Stamped concrete keywords. Okay, guys, go ahead and visit concretemarketingcrew.com/stamped concrete keywords. Okay, and if you're watching this on YouTube, look for the link right down below this video. I'll be uploading this link very soon, and just updating that page on our website. So look for stamped concrete keywords, and you should be able to get a hold of this list and that list. And I'm going to combine them, clean them up for you guys. This way you guys can get to work in building content for your business. Alright, guys, so we just finished the presentation. Hope you had a ton of fun. I had a ton of fun recording this presentation for you guys. And look, if you have any questions, just leave a comment right down below. Give us a like, give us a share. We'd really appreciate it. And look, Concrete Marketing Crew, head over there right now. Get the keyword list for yourself, concretemarketingcrew.com. Okay, stamped-concrete-keywords. That is the link. Go ahead and download your keyword list for stamped concrete, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.